Hey guys, welcome. And this is how to fix system UI not responding on Android. So, guys, if you ever found yourself in that situation, what you could try to do is just simply resetting your system UI. So, to do that, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and from here, you could just simply go for apps. Now, here on the apps, you could just simply go ahead and go to the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And you should be able to see here, show system apps. Now, over here, you could just simply search for UI. And from here, you should be able to see system UI and go for the storage. And you will have an option over here, clear cache. And now, once you have done that, you could just simply go back and now just simply search for Google Services or Google Play Services and tap on it. And from here, you will have a storage and just simply tap on Clear Cache and tap on Manage Storage. And from here, just simply tap on Clear All Data. And once you have done all that, just simply restart your phone and you should be able to fix the issue.